What is the first step in the decontamination process? A. Sterilization. B. Disinfection. C. Point-of-use pre-cleaning. D. Packaging. Answer, C. Pre-cleaning at the point of use prevents debris from drying on instruments. Which PPE is required in the decontamination area? A. Surgical mask only. B. Hair cover and gloves. C. Full PPE including gown, gloves, mask, and eye protection. D. Shoe covers only. Answer, C. Full PPE protects staff from biohazard exposure. What type of water is recommended for final rinsing of instruments? A. Tap water. B. Distilled water. C. Treated or deionized water. D. Warm water. Answer, C. Treated water prevents mineral deposits. Which area of the SPD is considered the most contaminated? A. Clean area. B. Assembly area. C. Sterile storage. D. Decontamination area. Answer, D. Decontamination handles contaminated instruments. What is the main purpose of enzymatic detergents? A. Sterilize instruments. B. Break down organic matter. C. Disinfect surfaces. D. Dry instruments. Answer, B. Enzymes break down blood and tissue. When should instruments be cleaned? A. After sterilization. B. Immediately after use. C. Before packaging. D. After storage. Answer, B. Immediate cleaning prevents soil from hardening. Which method is not acceptable for cleaning instruments? A. Manual cleaning. B. Ultrasonic cleaning. C. Washer disinfector. D. Dry wiping. Answer, D. Dry wiping does not remove contamination. Why is eye protection required in decontamination? A. Bright lights. B. Chemical exposure. C. Splash and spray risk. D. Dust. Answer, C. Splashes can carry infectious material. What happens if instruments are not properly cleaned? A. Better sterilization. B. No effect. C. Sterilization failure. D. Faster processing. Answer, C. Soil blocks sterilant contact. Which detergent is safest for delicate instruments? A. Alkaline. B. Neutral pH. C. Acidic. D. Bleach-based. Answer, B. Neutral detergents prevent damage. What temperature range is recommended for manual cleaning? A. Cold water only. B. Extremely hot water. C. Warm water. D. Boiling water. Answer, C. Warm water improves detergent action. What is the main goal of infection prevention in SPD? A. Faster work. B. Cost reduction. C. Protect patients and staff. D. Inventory control. Answer, C. Safety is the top priority. Which item must never enter the clean area? A. Clean instruments. B. Sterilized trays. C. Contaminated instruments. D. Packaged sets. Answer, C. Workflow must be one-directional. What is the correct workflow in SPD? A. Clean, dirty, sterile. B. Dirty, clean, sterile. C. Sterile, dirty, clean. D. Random workflow. Answer, B. One-way flow prevents cross-contamination. Why is proper hand hygiene critical in decontamination? A. Comfort. B. Appearance. C. Infection control. D. Speed. Answer, C. Hand hygiene prevents disease transmission. Which organization provides SPD best practices? A. CDC. B. AAMI. C. OSHA. D. All of the above. Answer, D. All provide important guidelines. What should be done with damaged instruments? A. Use anyway. B. Discard immediately. C. Send for repair. D. Sterilize twice. Answer, C. Damaged instruments must be repaired. Why are brushes used during manual cleaning? A. Polishing. B. Remove visible soil. C. Drying. D. Sterilizing. Answer, B. Brushes help remove debris. Which chemical is commonly used for high-level disinfection? A. Alcohol. B. Glutaraldehyde. C. Soap. D. Water. Answer, B. Glutaraldehyde is used for HLD. What should be checked before using detergents? A. Color. B. Expiration date. C. Smell. D. Brand name. Answer, B. Expired chemicals may be ineffective. What does OSHA primarily focus on? A. Patient billing. B. Worker safety. C. Instrument storage. D. Scheduling. Answer, B. OSHA protects employees. Why is ventilation important in decontamination? A. Comfort. B. Noise reduction. C. Control aerosols and odors. D. Lighting. Answer, C. Proper airflow reduces contamination. What should be done after cleaning instruments? A. Store immediately. B. Inspect for cleanliness. C. Sterilize directly. D. Pack without checking. Answer, B. Inspection ensures effective cleaning. Which surface should be cleaned most frequently? A. Walls. B. Floors. C. Work surfaces. D. Ceilings. Answer, C. Work surfaces contact instruments. What is biofilm? A. Clean surface. B. Protective coating. C. Layer of microorganisms. D. Packaging material. Answer, C. Biofilm resists cleaning and sterilization. Why should soaking time be followed exactly? A. For speed. B. For compliance. C. To prevent damage. D. For appearance. Answer, C. Oversoaking can damage instruments. What is the purpose of infection control policies? A. Paperwork. B. Safety and consistency. C. Decoration. D. Scheduling. Answer, B. Policies ensure standard practice. Which action increases cross-contamination risk? A. One-way workflow. B. Proper PPE. C. Mixing clean and dirty items. D. Hand hygiene. Answer, C. Mixing areas spreads infection. Who is responsible for infection prevention in SPD? A. Supervisor only. B. Management. C. Every staff member. D. Inspectors. Answer, C. Everyone shares responsibility. Why is training important in decontamination? A. Certification only. B. Faster work. C. Safety and compliance. D. Salary increase. Answer, C. Training ensures safe, correct processing.